tits! You're sitting at your kitchen table, staring at a bank balance that looks more like a temperature in Antarctica than a financial statement. You've got big dreams, a massive work ethic, but exactly $0 in your pocket. Society tells you that you need money to make money, right? They say the game is rigged for the trust fund kids and the Silicon Valley elites. I'm here to tell you that the biggest lie ever sold to the American public. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step blueprint to building a massive empire, starting with nothing but your brain and a Wi-Fi connection. We aren't talking about saving on lattes or cutting coupons. We are talking about aggressive wealth creation from the ground up. If you are ready to flip the script on your financial life and stop living paycheck to paycheck, hit that subscribe button right now and join our community of builders. By subscribing, you're remaking a commitment to your future self that average is no longer an option. Now, let's get to work. Most people fail to build wealth because they view money as a physical object. They think it's a stack of paper. It's not. In the modern economy, money is a byproduct of value. If you have no money, it means you haven't yet figured out how to package your value in a way the market wants to pay for. Your first dollar isn't going to come from a magic stock pick or a crypto moonshot. It's going to come from your labor and your skills. In the United States, we live in the highest opportunity environment in human history. But you have to know where to look. Start by identifying a high-value skill. This isn't something you learn in a 4-year degree while taking on 6 figures of debt. This is something like copywriting, digital sales, specialized coding, or even high-end manual trades like HVAC or electrical work. When you have zero capital, your only leverage is your time. You need to trade that time for a skill that pays at least $50 to $100 an hour. Once you've picked your lane, you have to become obsessed. While everyone else is scrolling through TikTok or watching Netflix, you need to be in the University of YouTube or taking every free certification course available. You are essentially building a toolkit. Once you have the skill, you don't wait for a job offer, you go out and hunt. You find small business owners, the backbone of the American economy, who are struggling. Maybe their website is terrible. Maybe their ads aren't converting. Or maybe their plumbing is a mess. You offer to solve their problem. This is the service-based phase. This is where you generate your seed capital. You aren't just working. You are accumulating dry powder cash that you can eventually use to buy back your time. 2. The biggest mistake people make once they start earning $5,000 or $10,000 a month is that they immediately upgrade their lifestyle. They get the newer truck, the better apartment, the designer clothes. If you do that, you've just built a prettier cage. To build real wealth from scratch, you have to live like you're still broke, even when the checks start coming in. This is the concept of delayed gratification. In the US, consumer culture is designed to keep you poor. Every billboard and every Instagram ad is trying to separate you from your seed capital. You have to be a financial fortress. Every dollar you save during this phase is a soldier that will eventually go to war for you in the markets. Now, let's talk about the transition from labor to capital. Once you've saved up $20,000, $30,000, or $50,000 from your high-value skill, you stop being a worker and start being an owner. This is where the magic happens. You take that money and you invest it into assets that produce cash flow. This could be a small multifamily real estate property, a diversified index fund, or even starting a scalable online business where you hire others to do the work you used to do. The goal is to reach the crossover point. That is the moment when your investments generate enough income to cover your basic living expenses. Once you hit that point, you are officially free. Work becomes an option, not a requirement. But here is the secret sauce that no one talks about: your network. In America, your net worth truly is your network. When you have no money, you need to be the most helpful person in every room you enter. You need to provide so much value to people who are ahead of you that they feel obligated to help you up. Go to the meets, send the cold emails, offer to do free work for mentors. One conversation with the right person can skip you 5 years ahead in the process. Wealth isn't just about what you know. It's about who knows that you are reliable, capable, and hungry. Also have to master your psychology. Building wealth from scratch is a psychological marathon. There will be months where it feels like you're running in place. There will be friends who mock your hustle because they're comfortable in their 9-to-5 safety net. You have to develop a Titan mindset. You have to be willing to be misunderstood for a long period of time. You have to be okay with being the boring friend who does you and T go out on Friday nights because you're rebuilding your future. Remember, wealth is the ability to fully experience life. It's about freedom. It's about being able to take care of your family and support the causes you care about. As you progress, you'll realize that the no money phase was actually a gift. It forced you to be creative. It forced you to be disciplined. It gave you the grit that those born with silver spoons will never understand. When you build it yourself, you know how to keep it. You know how to multiply it. You aren't afraid of losing it because you know exactly how to build it back from zero. So, what is the first step you're going to take today? Are you going to keep scrolling, or are you going to pick a skill and start your journey? The American dream isn't dead. It's just moved. It moved away from the traditional path and into the hands of the bold, the specialized, and the disciplined. You have the tools, you have the roadmap, and now you have the community. If this video sparked something in you, I want you to comment "I am a builder" below. It sounds simple, but public accountability is a powerful thing. Let's hold each other to a higher standard. Go out there, provide massive value to the world, and watch how fast your bank account reflects your growth. I'll see you at the top.